Hello and welcome to the Giving Nature a Home project in Cardiff City Nature Challenge. The City Nature Challenge is a global citizen science collaboration to record urban wildlife. This year, we're working with friends across the city to represent Cardiff, Newport and the Gwent levels to bring the City Nature Challenge to your doorstep. This video is one of many made for this event. For more information and access to the full City Nature Challenge programme, along with a great list of free resources, activities and videos, go to our website. All the links you need are in the description box below. Log piles are really important habitats. Full sun will dry and heat the wood and it will be too hot to support lots of life. Dense shade is good for fungi, but may be too cold for most insects. It's tricky finding the right log pile to live in. So if you find any bugs near a log, make sure to put them back next to that log. Birds also feed on insects that make their home in old wood. Insects are valuable friends to our gardens and vital to the natural world as a whole, not to mention fascinating and diverse creatures to share a home with. There are so many reasons why insects and other bugs and mini beasts should be welcomed to our outdoor spaces. They can be an important source of food for other animals like birds and bats, essential to pollinate our flowering plants and crops, predators to other insects like aphids, and useful workers when it comes to decomposition and giving us nutrient-rich soil. Butterflies and moths, worms, snails and slugs, spiders, centipedes, beetles, bees and wasps. We can attract them all and give them a home in a variety of ways, from simply planting insect-friendly plants and flowers to building habitats for them to live like this log pile. Create a secret world for all the little creatures that come out at night. A pile of logs and branches can give shelter to all sorts of animals, from frogs and newts to many-legged millipedes, and lots of the smaller creatures like nothing better than a meal of rotting wood. Yum yum. Some things you need for the activity. You will need a spade, some logs and branches, leaves, moss and some mulch. Some helpful hints and tips. Use a mixture of wood and different sized logs with the bark on, such as beech, oak, ash and elm. Adding a pile of leaf litter can attract even more creatures, such as hibernating toads or hedgehogs. You will need to add new logs as the old ones decay over the years. We'd love to hear how you got on making your own log pile, so why not share your own before and after pictures on social media using the hashtag City Nature Challenge and hashtag Wild Cardiff, or why not at RSPB Cymru, at Cardiff Council 1, at Buglife or at TNL Community Fund. Or why not upload what you find onto iNaturalist for everyone to see. You can also join our Facebook group, or if you want more information, check out our website. All the links you need are on the screen.